Hello, everybody. So, quickly, I'm not the type of person that usually records a unboxing, but in this case, I'm gonna, because this is my second box from Threadbeast, and it's a massive 3 pounds in weight at this point in time. And honestly, if what I see on the inside is not completely awesome, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel my membership period. Because the first time when I got my items, there were a number of them that were too small. So here are the 3 items that were too small. All right, so there it is. It's kind of hard to see, but you got some black pants with quite decorative buttocks area. A Disco Dave shirt that kind of has a unique looking symbol on the back. And then this, I don't know, you could call it a pink flamingo type jacket. Okay, so those are the 3 things, right, that need to be replaced in this one, plus all the other stuff that comes in this one. So let's go ahead and open it up. A couple of things that I think are cool about the way they do their boxing. It says, contains one less trip to the mall. Then I kind of like this one. Right here it says, Threadbeast, must have, just for you. And it goes through all of this stuff and it tells me approximate weight, 2.7 kilograms. Well, it's actually comes up on the shipping label as 3 pounds. That's crazy. So let's flip this up. Slice. Ooh. Don't forget to document. Like I said, bros, I'm doing it. Okay, so ring. Okay, so there we go. Back up. Oh, so first of all, I'm disappointed because I told them never, ever send baseball hats. And right off the get-go, there's a baseball hat. So that kind of sucks. Okay, so let's look here. Ching. Let me pause this while I open this up. Okay, cool. Super cool. I like it. I like the quality of the embroidering. Kind of neat, right? Okay, let's go on to item number 2. What do we got here? A couple of stickers. This. Next. All right, hold on. Let me pause this. Excellent. I do like this. Very cool. I like the buttons. See the buttons right there? How cool they are. That's neat. It's raw. G Star Original Raw Denim. Rink, rink. So that's kind of cool. Let me see if it's what kind of. It's got a little stretchiness to it, but still, I like it. Okay, on to third item. Chunk. That's my friend. It's very, very colorful. Not sure about it, but we'll figure that one out once I try it on. So, I mean, not ugly, right? Okay, this is the third item, and I love it. Super awesome. Feels great. Athletic this, athletic that. So, really love that. Yay. So, we're doing so good. So far, so good. So what? And the unboxing continues. Next. Ooh, super hipster. Check it out. It's a little pullover. Very nice. With a little hoodski. Little hoodie going on there. Ching ching. Let's go pull these. I like this as well. Very casual. Nice. Not overly colorful, so that's cool. Alright, let's go to the next item. Oh, just pulled the next one out. Love it. Check it out. It's a little pullover again, but it's got the little scrunchie on the bottom. like that. Zipper, it's kind of, that type of material. Very cool. Oh, man, these guys are going to make me stay with them. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Keep it coming. All right, next item. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Oh, my friends. My friends. No way. What's got two thumbs and will probably never ever wear jeans with that on them? This guy. Oh my, there's no way. Right? Fear no one. So, I'm not sure about that. Yeah, I thought I'd add this. This is what the back looks like. I mean, I like the jeans overall, right? But that weird. Like, what the hell is that? All right, let's keep going. Boop, put that up there. Okay. Socks. No problem. Everybody can use socks, right? Best thing ever. Okay. Excellent. Normal jeans of high quality. Nice stitching, all normal. Not a funky parrot on the front. So that, my friends, makes me happy. Excellent. And as you can see, I'm not a little guy, okay? I am a fashionable guy, but not a little guy. All right, move this. And last but not least, what up, playa? Hall of Fame. Yeah, that's super lame. Remember, I don't care about baseball hats. So, let's review. Okay, so we're reviewing. Yay. Yay. Sorry. Nay. Yay. 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 Oh, God. I still can't get over this. That was loud. Sounds like that guy. Nay. Yay. Where'd my hair? And well, let's look on the inside. It's got this sweaty stuff, so if you sweat, okay, fine. Yay, only because maybe I'll wear a hat in the summer. Not bad, Threadbeast. Killed it. Ish.